Good to be back at Star GB. We're talking special offers today. Two machines specifically that are here, a limited availability but available from stock. Can you tell us what the machines are that there's these offers on?
For sure, they're two of our most popular brands, the SR20R4 and the SR20J2.
Let's pick each machine individually. Let's start with the R4. What is that model? Tell our audience what they can expect with that machine.
It's a very flexible, very versatile machine. It goes guide-bush, non-guide-bush. It's got up to 7/8 capacity. It's got a fully programmable B-axis, 8 stations on the back, so plenty of overlap for reducing cycle times. It's got star motion control included as well, so again, to reduce idle times even further.
So this is quite a flexible machine, capable of making complicated components very quickly. Would that be a good analysis?
Spot on.
Okay, then the second machine, just tell us a little bit about that one, because I'm sure it's not much different. I'm sure it's as productive, but what's the model and what can they expect from that one?
That's the SR20J2, so this is the successor to our very popular SR20J, but it's got more power, more tool configurations, more stations, so there's a lot more versatility to that particular model, new features on the control, etc., etc. So it's a
who do you think these offers will be of interest to, Alec? Do you think they're going to be of interest to existing customers, potentially new users? Is that where you're aiming this?
I think mostly to existing customers that can see already the benefits of the R4 and the J2, but obviously, you know, new customers can benefit from them as well.
Well, there's a little bit of a carrot with the offer. What do the machines come with, the ones that are here on limited availability?
The offer includes HFT, bar feeder and swarf conveyor, so it's all, you know, a very sort of competitively priced package.
And expected delivery, it would be quick?
Very quick in most cases, depending on all the extra bits and pieces a customer wants to add to the package, basically.
And of course you offer the excellent training and support here from Star GB, so could be an offer not to be missed. Would you agree?
Absolutely. I mean, every machine package goes out with operator training, programmer training. It's all part of the standard sort of deal that we do with our customer base.